Data Patterns has received a 585.76 crore rupees order from Bharat Electronics Limited for the supply of radar electronics. The company said its order book stood at 2,654 crore rupees as of July 30, with subsequent orders worth 771.08 crore rupees received. Of this, 745.93 crore rupees were already under negotiator order, while 25.15 crore rupees represent new orders. RailTel has secured a work order worth 164.79 crore rupees including tax from Western Coalfields Limited. The project involves setting up an multi-protocol label switching VPN network on a rental basis for 60 months. The order was received on 19th August and is scheduled for execution by September 20th, 2031. Rail Vikas Nigam Limited has received a letter of acceptance from East Coast Railway for railway signalling and reliability improvement work. The 161.02 crore rupees project involves providing MSDAC systems across several stations in the KUR division. The work is expected to be completed within 18 months. Saatvik Green Energy subsidiary Saatvik Solar Industries has received and accepted a 190 crore rupees order from a domestic independent power producer EPC player. The order is for the supply of solar PV modules and is scheduled to be executed by March 2027. Welspun Corp has secured its largest ever single order worth about $1.8 billion or 17,200 crore rupees for supplying pipes from its US manufacturing facility. The order will be executed between fiscal year 2028 and fiscal year 2029 and has increased the company's global order book to a record $4.4 billion or around 42,100 crore rupees.